This is a Daewoo DMV5025-50. Has a Medako pallet changer, wash coolant, do the spindle coolant, shower coolant, nice chip conveyor. It's got a Fanuc Series 21i MB. All the buttons and controls are in excellent condition. This is open at this end for the pallet changer. Spindle chiller works great. We haven't cleaned in here. That's remnants of something somebody did at the other place. But everything's nice and clean, buttoned up, hasn't been bothered. Heat exchangers working great, fans are working great. Filter system for through the spindle coolant. Controls for the tool changer. .3,000 RPM on the spindle there. Going up 10% at a time. .8,000 RPM spindle. Do a tool change for you. Tool changer works great. The axes are nice, sound great. They're just there's some cover noise, and that's a good thing. That means your wipers are still good on them. Machine looks nice. Look good sitting on a shop floor. And thank you for your time.